What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episodes of Breakdowns of Brian, we are going to be going over my 2016 F-150 again, and we're going to be replacing the third brake light. I got this from a company called Auxito. They mainly focus on replacement bulbs for front and rear lights. They also do like license plate lights, obviously third brake lights. They also do seat covers, tire inflators, jump packs, jump starters, I should say, and a couple other miscellaneous things, but their main thing is going to be the replacement bulbs for the lights. So, with that being said, let's jump into the quick video on how to install it. Alright guys, so I've already taken the screws out. You're going to need a T20 Torx bit or a 7mm here, and that's going to get your big bolts out. I did use an impact. I would say that when you go to put them back in, if you're going to use an impact, be very careful because you don't want to crack the glass or anything. But you're going to pop that off. Here's what the original ones are going to look like. These here are just aftermarket bulbs just to make it a little bit brighter. But the new one I've got here does have LEDs in it. You're going to need to come into here and you're going to pop these down. Let's get you a little closer. They're just two tabs. You're going to push down on them. And here is going to be your connection point here. I will do one more thing. First, this one is nice because it does come with a new piece here for like weather stripping, and we're going to go ahead and put that on beforehand. And I'll put a, like I said, I'll put a link in the description where I got this one at, and we're going to put it through here. We're going to put it on. So now you got a fresh strip just for the weather, so the rain or anything like that doesn't come. Go ahead and just give this just a little wipe. It should be pretty clean. Now we'll take the original one out. Let's bump you back down. The clip is going to be on this side, so this piece that is shoved up here through here, you're going to need to take that out because it's almost impossible to get your hands in there and actually get it to where it snaps in. There you go. Make sure it's all the way in. Here, click. There it is. Now, this may take a couple of minutes, or it may take a couple of seconds, depending on how. That's where you're going to need your little pry tool. You're going to get it under there and try. And all you need to do, there you go, start one and then push the other one up. So now they're both, as you can see there, nice and up. Put this over here. We'll go ahead and tear the film off. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see the LEDs in there. It looks like there's 3 per side, maybe. And I'm going to have to take it back out because I put it through here, which is where the original one goes. So I'm going to have to take this back out. Make sure you feed it through the middle one since it comes in the middle one. All right, now that I've got it back in there, we've got the weather stripping on. And then you are going to start your bolts back in, and that's basically it. I'll put the bolts back in real quick, make sure they fit, make sure it fits nice. It's got a nice seal around it. And then we'll do a quick on and off, and then we'll do a quick on and off at nighttime to see how much it lights up the bed still. So here is the unlock. I'll go ahead and hit the brakes so you can see how the brakes look. And then come back out at nighttime and do the same thing. Now, since it's dark, here's going to be the unlock sequence. And I'll show you what the brake lights are going to look like. And here's going to be the lock sequence. Just going to shut itself off slowly. All right, guys, if you liked the video, hit that like and subscribe. If you guys want to know anything else about the truck, put a comment down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Until next time, guys.